how to create your first Roblox game from scratch. So in here, the very first thing that you need to do is get into your Roblox Studio, right? So if you do not have your Roblox Studio downloaded yet, you need to search for Roblox Studio. This is the link you want to click. Simply click on start creating, then you'll be able to download Roblox Studio. Then after downloading the Roblox Studio, you can simply open it. And after downloading Roblox Studio, here what you're going to do is make sure you are logged into your account just like this. After doing that, now what are we going to do is you can either simply click on new experiences and start from a very base level, or you can click on templates right here, and now you'll be able to select a base now you'll be able to select a base plate, right? So let's just go with this classic base plate. Click on it, and then you can see it is currently loading a data model. Then from here, it will actually give you a template in order to create your own experience on Roblox, right? In here, you can now start changing your colors and materials. You can also insert a spawn location, test the game using actually play that you'll be able to see after creating your game. So in here you can see there are a lot of tools that you can actually use in order to create your game, and after doing it, all you need to do is simply click on publish. Simply click on file right here. You will be able to see the option of publish to Roblox. All you need to do is simply find that option after creating your game and simply click on it, and just like that, you'll be able to actually create your first Roblox game from scratch. So yeah, that is it. If you guys do have any further queries, please let me know in the comment section down below.